Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about ordered pairs and plotting points on a coordinate plane. So what I need you to do first is go ahead and add this into your table of contents. Make sure your title says ordered pairs and plotting points. Make sure you put today's date, and then you also put your next available page number. So we're probably all at different points, so make sure that your page number matches the page you are actually putting these notes on. You may go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Today, our objective is that I can identify ordered pairs and plot them on a coordinate plane. So we're going to talk about different ways that you're going to see an ordered pair and what ordered pair actually means. And then we're going to learn how to take that ordered pair and put it on a coordinate plane. So let's start by putting what an ordered pair is. And an ordered pair is a specific place on a coordinate plane and then down here I'm going to put an example of what it looks like. So for an ordered pair, we have parentheses and a comma in between that separates them. And then we have a number that tells us where on the x-axis it needs to go. And then we have another number that tells us where on the y-axis it needs to go. So an ordered pair is a specific place on a coordinate plane where we are going to put a point. So this ordered pair is going to be a point. And it'll make more sense once we put it on the coordinate plane. Okay. Now you are going to see ordered pairs in tables. And so I want to explain how the table works first, and then we will take our ordered pairs and we will plot them. So sometimes you will see a table that looks like this. You'll have numbers under the X column, and then you'll have numbers under the Y column. For the most part, the X is always on the left-hand side. And those could be whatever numbers are in the table. So an ordered pair has to have two numbers, one for the X, one for the Y-axis, and then those two numbers together are going to become a point. So one of our ordered pairs in this table right here, we have the X number as 0, our Y number as 2. That is an ordered pair. The next ordered pair we have, the X number is a 1, the Y number is a 4. That would be another point on our coordinate plane. So that is another ordered pair. Our next ordered pair is 2, 6. Remember, ordered pairs have to be in parentheses and you have to have a comma in between the numbers. Our next point, or our next ordered pair, is 3, 8. And then our last ordered pair we have here is 4, 10. So looking at this table, I was able to pull out all of the ordered pairs that are in the table. There are going to be times where you will have to do this as well. Okay, so let's take these ordered pairs and let's plot them on a coordinate plane. So I'm putting coordinate plane with ordered pairs. Now remember, an ordered pair is also a point. It's just specifically where that point is supposed to be on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to draw a coordinate plane here. And since we only use quadrant 1, I'm going to make that one a little bit bigger than my other quadrants. Remember, these lines can go on forever, so we need to draw arrows. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in some numbers to label. Okay, so now my coordinate plane is ready to put in my ordered pairs. So what we're going to do is look at our very first ordered pair that we have at the top. The x number is 0. So I'm going to go to 0 on my x-axis. So this is my x-axis. I'm going to go to 0. Then I'm going to go up to my y number. So my y number is 2. So x is 0. I go up to 2. And I'm going to put a point right there. My next ordered pair is 1, 4. So I go to my x number first on my x-axis, which is 1. Then I go up to my y number, which is 4. So we don't actually put the point until we've went over to our x number and then up to our y number. So my next ordered pair that I have is 2 for my x-axis. So I go over to 2 and then up to 6 on my y-axis. So I'm going over 1, 2, and I'm going to go up to 6 and put a point. My next ordered pair is 3, 8. So I'm going over to 3, and then I'm going up to 8 on my y-axis, which is right here. And then the last one is 4, 10. So 4 is my x number. Then I go up to my y number. So you may go ahead and pause your video. I'm going to flip my page over and I'm going to give you a table where I want you to put your ordered pairs. I want you to pick them out first like we did here, and then I want you to put them on a coordinate plane. Okay, so here is your table. You need to find all the ordered pairs. Make sure you write them correctly. Then you will plot them on a coordinate plane.